After you are recruited into an organization, you are expected to possess a certain set of qualities, attributes, and skills. Basically, an employer will have some expectations from the new employee. There are 7 main expectations from the employee. The first one being effective communication. Communication is a crucial aspect of any job. Therefore, every employer expects the new employee to be able to have good listening and communication skills. The employee should have the ability to establish effective communication with the customer, manager, and client. The second quality is all about taking charge. If you want to be great at what you do and be considered for a leadership position, you need to show that you are ready, able, and willing to get things done without being asked. Many employers believe that having a positive attitude is more important than the knowledge the employee brings to the table. If you are a person with positive attitude, you tend to be more curious about things. As a result, your job performance is usually better than a person with negative attitude, as you're always looking for new ideas that yield higher productivity levels. And that is exactly what an employer wants. An employer also looks for result oriented people, as these individuals are focused on making things happen. This means that you must dig through projects and figure out how to obtain the desired results. In addition, you stay resolute and focused on each project, meet deadlines, and deliver value to the organization. Employees know that their employees are more productive and tend to be more loyal and committed to the organization when they see themselves as an integral part of the team. Team players show a willingness to collaborate with others in order to execute work assignments and accomplish goals. Employers value employees who come to work on time and take responsibility for their actions and behaviors. In addition, employees know that dependable and responsible employees value their job expectations, and the performance level. If you show a willingness to take advantage of training programs offered at work, attend seminars, read relevant books, etc., you become more valuable to every assignment and ultimately to the organization. Also, don't forget to ask for advice from your team manager on the things you need to learn in order to progress.